Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I am the host the Zoom. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Camat, Mr. Lurah.
Morning.
Welcome to our weekly evaluation meeting for the Jatisampurna Subdistrict held virtually via Zoom today, Friday, June 12, 2026, as mandated for our regional opportunities under the Assistant for Government Affairs. This work from home briefing will be conducted only in English. Today, our main focus will revolve around the evaluation of the Land and Building Tax, or said PBB. Achievement along with financial and social welfare update. Without further ado, let us welcome our honorable sub-district head to deliver the open remarks and direction. The floor is yours, sir. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Secretaris. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Before we dive into today's agenda, first of all, let us extend our highest appreciation to the Sub-District Secretaries of Jatisampurna. He has excellently represented me over the past few weeks in leading this Zoom coordination meeting due to my fixed schedule. Alhamdulillah, his successful managed every session with great result. So thank you very much for your dedication, Mr. Secretaris. Applause to Mr. Secretaris. Moving forward to our WFH evaluation today, we need to strictly monitor our performance over the past week and map out our action plan for next week. Our primary objective is formula monitoring result, conclude our WFH performance, and prepare solid recommendation for future improvement. Let us facilitate this 100-minute effective.
Thank you, Sub-District Head, for the guidance and kind words. We will now move into our evaluation phase. For our first report, I invite the head of the financial subdivision to present the financial realization report for this week. Please, the floor in yours. Who is?
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable Sub-District Head of Jatisampurna, the respect Sub-District Secretary of Jatisampurna, the respect of urban village head across Jatisampurna Sub-District, and all college. On this opportunity, allow me to report financial realization achievement from January up to this day. The total budget shilling for Jatisampurna sub-district is IDR 41,269,866,800 rupiah, which has been released at IDR 11,310,093,042 rupiah, or 27.40%. The performance target for Jatisampurna sub-district is IDR 24,849,419,000 rupiah, which has been released at IDR 9,665,125,342 rupiah, or 38.89%. Jatisampurna Urban Village Target IDR 4,413,299,200 rupiah, released at IDR 467,509,200 rupiah, or 10.59%. Jatirangga Urban Village Target 3,127,476,400 rupiah, released at IDR 263,149,200 rupiah, or 8.41%. Jatirangon Urban Village Target IDR 2,921,126,000 rupiah, realized at IDR 365,067,500 rupiah, or 12.51%. Jatirangga Urban Village Target IDR 3,237,873,400 rupiah, realized at IDR 265,094,400 rupiah, or 8.18%. Jatiraden Urban Village Target IDR 2,720,672,800 rupiah, realized at IDR 283,540,000 rupiah, or 10.42%. We have entered the first semester. We must compile to financial report for the Jatisampurna sub-district. We expect all implemented activity to be processed by payment immediately within June, so that Jatisampurna sub-district of overall realization achievement can increase. Please ensure all activities or expenditure have been processed through the latest version of purchasing. Furthermore, please make sure to complete all required documentation for the distribution success before creating the SPM. This concludes the report from the Finance Department. We highly request your cooperation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the detailed financial update. Very good. The report. Next, as we approach the Islamic New Year's, I invite the head of the social welfare section to deliver the preparation and updates regarding the upcoming 1 Muharram 1448 Hijriah commemoration. Please process. Please, social section. Who is? Can
Please,
you the report?
please, head of
Kesos,
social welfare section report.
Kesos. Okay, because the social section not report, maybe the ending. Now, the urban village of Jati Sampurna. Please, urban village Jati Sampurna, the report.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, the respected Secretary of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, distinguished official and all participants attending this Zoom meeting throughout Jati Sampurna Sub-District. On this occasion, allow me to present several important matters related to employer discipline, the property tax collection outreach program, and the establishment of Lingkar Beken community group for fiscal year 2026.
Okay. Who next?
Good morning, peace be upon us all, Honorable Sub-District Head of Jati Sampurna, Secretariat of Jati Sampurna Sub-District. Today, I would like to present the evolution of employee discipline relation with Jati Sampurna Urban Village. Besides on the applicable civil service regulation and statutory provision, discipline action is being proceeded for employees who have been absent from work for 20 working days with valid justification. The concerned employee has been officially submitted to undergo the procedure for moderate disciplinary sanction in accordance with the prevailing regulation. We remain committed to strengthening discipline, professional, accountable, and public service performed with Jati Sampurna Urban Village. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Please.
Okay, thank you. Secondly, regarding
the 2026 Property Tax Books 1, 2, and 3 Jati Sampurna Urban Village consists of 19 neighborhood community units and has received as well as distributes in total 11,470 egg property. Egg property tax assessment notice with an outstanding tax receivable value amounting to 3,774,446,073 rupees. As of 10 June 2026, the realization of property tax payment in Kelurahan Jati Sampurna is as follows. The total assets refund target is 3,774,446,073 rupiah. The current realization has reached 1,623,784,283. The interim achievement percentage currently stands as 43.02. Based on the latest realization data, Jati Sampurna is currently ranked 36 out of 56 urban village throughout Bekasi City. To improve revenue, perform, and achieve the established target, Jati Sampurna urban village continue to intensive tax collection effort throughout community on trace, direct payment service, coordination with neighborhood stakeholders, and the implementation of the mobile tax payment service program. We remain optimistic that throughout the active participation of residents, the support of neighborhood leaders, and strong interagency collaboration, the property tax revenue target of Jati Sampurna Urban Village for fiscal years 2026 can be achieved optimally. Okay, thank you.
The next, Mr. Subur.
Okay. Next.
Thank you, Sir Secretary. We are from Consortium of the Jati Sampurna Urban Village permit to present or activity report related to our main duty functional regarding the Lingkar Buken program. Reform 19 W have been formed and offset the focus as a total of the 15 W remaining 4 W that are not yet in the memo process. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Subur. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ladies and gentlemen, those are the key points I would like to convey during this meeting. Hopefully, through our collective commitment to improve public service quality and achieve all development targets effectively. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Urban Village Head of Jati Sampurna, for your talk and comprehensive report. Regarding the civil service discipline evaluation, I strictly support your firm action in processing the moderate discipline section for the absent employee. Accountability and presence are vital for public service, so please follow through according to the applicable regulation. As for your PBB relation, which has reached 4.5%, this is decent interim progress, but being ranked 35, 40 in Bekasi City mean we must work harder. I highly encourage your Mobilistek payment service program and door-to-door community outreach to maximum the collection before the deadline. Keep up the good spirit and strengthen collaboration with your local network community leaders.
Thank you, Mr. Subdistrict Head, for the constructive feedback. Now, let's proceed the next presentation. I invite the urban village of head of Jatiranga to deliver the update. Jatiranga, please. Jatiranga. Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Mr. Iban.
Mr. Iban.
Thank you, the Secretary of Jati Sampurna, Subdistrict, for two opportunity give us. This is Jatiranga Uberpay will present to
akan bikin orang. Paling
topik
the
aktivitas Hijriah and to progress of land and building tax revenue collection in Jatiranga Uberpay. To present regarding community of One Muharram untuk 1448 will celebrated by Miss Sally Septiana, a staff member of Jatiranga Uberpay, to presentation of two progress of PBB review collection will delivered by Mr. Ricky Iswandi, also of staff member of Jatiranga Uberpay. Red process session we hold to implement Sally Septiana to deliver presentation regarding to community of the Islamic New York 1 Muharram on 1448 Hijriah. Miss Sally Septiana, for is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Head of Jatiranga Urban Village, for the opportunity given to us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict, distinguished official, and all participants of the Friday morning meeting. In welcoming the Islamic New Year 1 Muharram 1448 Hijri, the government of Bekasi City will organize the 1 Muharram Parade on Monday, June 15, 2026. Jatiranga Urban Village will participate by involving urban village official, neighborhood head, religious leaders, community leaders, and representative of the Religious Community Council of Jatiranga. Coordination and preparation have been carried out to ensure that the events run smoothly and orderly. In addition, we also encourage the implementation of Islamic New Year commemorative activities within the community as a means of strengthening social bonds, enhancing faith and devotion, and fostering unity among residents. Through the momentum of 1 Muharram 1448 Hijri, We hope that the spirit of Hijrah will inspire all government officials and community members to continue improving themselves, strengthen social awareness, and provide the best possible service to all. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for attention and support. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Please, Jatirangga who begins the report.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. of Jatirangga, Urban Village, for opportunity to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Succession of and all participants of Freedom Morning Meeting. Thank you for opportunity. As of today, the PBB target of Jatirangga Urban Village consists of 2,828 tax objects, with a total action value $2,921,476,040. The revenue realization achievement so far amount to $1,041,507,524, 13.65% of the stable target. To optimize PBB revenue collection efforts have been undertaken, include delay field operation conducted by Pamor office to direct of tax pay, distribution of payment remain letter, and seat funding what RT and RW leader and public awareness campaign. To community from Jatirangga Urban Village digital media platform. To three effort, we hope the PBB revenue relation will continue in improve so the accessibility target can be active optimal. The conclude operation. Thank you for attention and support. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Mr. Iban, please.
Thank you, Mr. Ricky. Mute. Bella.
Mr. Iban, please.
Matt Wool. Thank you, Mr. Ricky. Ricky Kiswandi. Or is your. Thank you. Lanjut.
Thank you, Urban. Mr. Jamat, please.
Thank you, Urban Village of Jatirangga.
Second present, second. Mr. Nurdin.
Oh,
Mr. Ricky for your copy. The one Muharram prepare of Irma and local.
Mr. Nurdin, closing. Mr. Nurdin, closing.
Mr.
And
Camat,
local
please.
for the
Excuse me, Mr. Camat. The Secretary of Jatirangga to report.
Yes, present.
Please.
Okay. Secretary of Jatirangga.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you, Mr. Nata and Mr. Nurdin. Thank you to Mr. Ricky Kiswani for the present recording the progress of the land and building tax or PBB revenue collection in Jatiranga Urban Village. This concludes the two topic present during today Friday morning meeting, namely the commemoration of the Islamic New Year 1 Muharram 1448 Hijriah and the progress of the land and building tax or PBB revenue collection in Jatiranga Urban Village. We would like to express our gratitude to the head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District is Mr. Natawirya and the Secretary Jati Sampurna Sub-District, Mr. Nudin, and all participation for their attention, guidance, and support. Your suggestion and input will save us valuable references for improving our service and programs. Finally, we apologize for any shortcoming in our presentation. Thank you for attention and the opportunity given to us. Thank you all. I hope you happy and stay healthy. And I say you, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Urban Village
Thank
Head
you,
of Jatiranga,
Mr. Sekel.
Mr. Sekretaris, Mr. Kamaluddin, Mrs. Sally, and Mr. Ricky for your comprehensive and unpaid report. Regarding the 1 Muharram preparation, I appreciate the active involvement of Irma and local youth for the torch relay. Please coordinate close with the sub-district public order officer to prevent any traffic congestion or public disruption. As for the PBB achievement at 39.50%, you are nearing the 40% mark, which is commendable. The strategy of weekend mobile counter at RW officer is highly pragmatic. Keep exerting it and ensure that the coordination with RT or RWW had remained consistent to maintain this momentum.
Thank you, Mr. Sub-District Head of Jati Sampurna for the feedback. Now let us hand over the platform to the Urban Village Head of Jatikarya to present their structural update. Jatikarya.
Yes, Jatikarya. Thank you, Mr. Sekretaris. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone. Respect Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District and Secretaries of the Jati Sampurna Sub-District. Of this week, the president of PBB Pangan Relations or Jatikarya Village is 40.61. And in celebration of the Islamic New Year's 1 Muharram Hijriah Jatikarya Village 25 staff members participate in the organization from Islamic Outreach and commemoration of Islamic New Year. The participation point and designate route with this displaying variation attribute and regions message to enlive the event. And next, Edo will present the report. Thank you for attention. Please, Edo. Yes. Yes, thanks, Mr. Rizky, Head of the Performance Bank Section, Jatikara Village. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
The Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District and Secretary of the Jati Sampurna Sub-District, I will report on 1,100,000 rupiah program in Jatikara Village. The preparation for the 100 million rupiah community units program is currently in the stage of forming the community group Pokmas Decree. Of the 14 community unit in Jatikara Village, 10 have received community group Pokmas decrees, and for others are in the process of forming Pokmas in the community unit level. That's all I can say. Thanks for your attention. Next, Indra for report, please. Mati lagi.
Who next? The report?
Next, Indra.
Thank you, Mr. Rizky, Head of the Permas Bank Section. I will report.
Please, Indra.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Good morning,
wabarakatuh.
everyone. Respect Head of the Jati Sampurna Sub-District and Secretary of the Jati Sampurna Sub-District. I will report based on the result of the security and public order situation in the area remain safe, orderly, and stable. Community activities continue as normal. No significant disruption reported. No incident have been detected that could potentially affect security, stability, or public order. Monitoring and coordination with relevant agencies are being maintained on a continuous basis to preserve a safe, secure, and conducive environment throughout the area. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Indra. Please, Sub-District Head of Jati Sampurna.
Thank you, Urban Village Head of Jatikarya, with Mr. Rizky, Edo, and Indra for the presentation. Your PBB relation has reached 40%, which is a good report, but we must keep passing to match the other top performing areas. Regarding the 100 million RW program, I appreciate that 10 out of 14 RW have already received the Pokmas decrees. Please expedite the process for the remaining 4 WR immediately, as in administrative baseline is crucial for our upcoming community development. Last, thank you for keeping Jatikarya safe, orderly, and stable. Keep up the consistent monitoring and strong coordination.
Thank you, Mr. Sub-District Head of Jati Sampurna for the direction. We will now hand the floor over the Urban Village Head of Jatiraden to present their performance report.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary of Jati Sampurna Sub-District.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District and Secretary of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, we would like to report the debt relation of land and building tax PBB revenue in Jatiraden village has currently reached 34% of the restricted target. This achievement reflects a positive trend at Serpers has a strong foundation for meeting the year-end target. To optimize PBB revenue collection Jatiraden Village, we will enhance public awareness and outreach program for taxpayer. 2. Conduct monitoring and evaluation activities at the RW and RT levels. 3. Strengthen coordination with RW and RT leaders. And 4. Implement proactive door-to-door collection effort to encourage and accelerate tax payment by residents. For the next report regarding environmental cleanliness order and Botika 3, we respectfully invite the Jatiraden Village Secretary to report. Please.
Secretary of Jatiraden. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Head of Jatiraden Village. Mr. Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District. Secretary of Jati Sampurna Sub-District and all colleagues attending this meeting. We would like to report that the Clean Line Beauty and Orderline K3 program in Jatiraden Village is been running well. Every Saturday and Sunday, the night good association RW hit together with community member routinely conduct community service activities to create a clean, healthy, orderly, and comfortable environment. However, 3 are still some residents who dispose of waste improperly. It might negatively affect environmental clean line. To address this issue, the village administration will. Number 1, increase public awareness campaign and community education. Number 2, instill warning interwarning and information seek at vulnerable location. Number 3, strengthen supervision and monitoring in collaboration with RT and RW administrator. Number 4, ensure the implementation of sanction in accordance with applicable regulation. For the next report regarding territorial and community affairs, we respectfully invite the head of section of Jatiraden Village to present the update. Thank you.
Okay, next. Jatiraden.
Please.
Will report next.
Baik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Thank you, Mr. Jatiraden Head Secretary, Honorable Mr. Head of Jati Sampurna Sub-District, Secretary of Jati Sampurna Sub-District Klego, attending this meeting. We would like to that the security and public order situation in Jatiraden is currently safe and conducive. This condition has been through the active participation of community members, neighborhood, and community association, RT/RW leaders, civil protection officers, Linas, and those of various stakeholders within the community. Part the role of the military with supervisory officer Babinsa and the community police officer Babin Kamtadipmas regularly conduct patrol and monitor the area. Has made a significant contribution to maintaining security and treating potential disturbance to public order. This truly there's strong synergy between the community and local authorities continue to be maintained in order to create a comfortable and harmonious environment for our residents. This concludes our report. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Urban Village Head of Jatiraden, along with the Secretary and Section Head for the thorough update. Your PBB achievement is currently at 34%, while it shows a positive trend in it requires immediate acceleration. Please execute the two-door tax collection program as planned and address the improper waste disposal issue by enforcing the community supervision and warning effectively. I appreciate the conducive secure situation maintenance via Babinsa and Babin Kaptimas synergy. Please, Mr. Secretary.
Thank you, Subdistrict Head of Jati Sampurna for the feedback. Now we hand the floor over to our last presenter, the Urban Village Head of Jatirangon and their administrative team. Please proceed. Jatirangon, please.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary of Jati Sampurna District. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Best wishes to all of us. Allow me to present an overview of the progress of activities being carried out across the 4 sessions of Jatirangon Urban Village. On this occasion, each session will provide an update on its ongoing activities, achievement, and plan follow-up action in support of improving public service and community welfare. The report will be presented sequentially by the Secretariat Session, the Government, Public Order and Security Session, or FEMTIBUM, the Social Welfare Session, or KESAS, and the Economic and Development Session, or ECBAM. The report will be presented. Ms. Secretary, please.
Thank you to Lura Jatiranggon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for opportunity given. Honorable Head of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict and Secretary of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict. Permission to report for the permanent evolution of from office employees at the Jatirangan Subdistrict office for the moment of June 2026. Which is a flower. Number 1, permission to submit a report from the Jatirangan Subdistrict Secretary regarding the from office activities of the Jatirangan Subdistrict office in June 2026. It has been scheduled of the from office activities will be divided into 4 teams in 1 month. Number 2, to be more efficient in our service activities, we also provide information to community in the form of social media such as Instagram and Facebook, so that is easier for community to obtain information, especially the resident of Jatirangan Subdistrict. Number 3, from that Jatirangan Subdistrict also has regional officer from each WL so that service for the communication can be provided more easily and quickly. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, the Government Public Order and Security Session, Mr. Robi. Mr. Robi. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for the opportunity given to me. With due respect, I would like to report to the Subdistrict Head and Subdistrict Secretary regarding the duties and responsibility of the Head of Government, Public Order and Security Section, which include providing population administration service, and dealing land and administration further, and preparing village data and profile. Maintaining public order and security, including supervising community protection officer and addressing potential social conflict within the community. Monitoring and enforcing environmental regulation and supporting public order operation in accordance with applicable regulation. Providing administrative letter service, such as recommendation letter for public event permit and village certificate. That conclude my report. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Robi, for attention. And then the social Miss Dewi, please.
Mau ngomong semua ya, Bang juga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you for the opportunity given to me. With due respect, I would like to report on the activities of the Social Welfare Section or CASOS of Jatirangan Urban Village. The ongoing activities include the verification of DTKS or DTSN and diesel data as requirements for school enrollment, as well as the issuance of certificates of indigency or SKTM for tuition fee assistance and school registration purposes. And then this week's activities of the Integrated Social Welfare Service Center or PUSKESOS include verifying update diesel data, checking DTSN data for social assistance application, and also collecting data on low-income resident and preparing for the distribution of the Prosperous Family Card or KKS, which is scheduled for next week. Alhamdulillah, all of these activities have been running smoothly. That concludes my report. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Ms. Dewi, for report. And then the economic and development session, please, Mr. Rahman Taufik.
Rahman Taufik.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Head of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict, Respected Secretary of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict, Respected Head of Urban Village of Jati Sampurna Subdistrict, Respected Head of Section from the Subdistrict and Urban Village Office, and all districts participation of this Zoom meeting. May we all be blessed with good health and aids in carrying out our duties and serving in community. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Allow me to present a report of the achievement of land and building tax PBB revenue in Jatiranggon Urban Village. As of today, the realization of land and building tax revenue for both 1, 2, and 3 in Jatiranggon Urban Village has reached 59,99%. This achievement placed Jatiranggon Urban Village in 3rd position with Ain Jati Sampurna Subdistrict and 51 position across Bekasi City. The main challenge we have identified in the implementation of PBB collection in Jatiranggon Urban Village is that many tax due notification letters SPPT have not yet been received by taxpayers. This situation has led to confusion and has reduced the motivation of some taxpayers to fulfill their PBB payment obligations. That concludes my report. We look forward to receiving further guidance and direction from the head of the subdistrict. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Rahman Taufik. Permission, conclusion. In general, all activities carried out by the Secretariat, Government Affairs, Social Welfare and Economic Development section of Jatiranggon Urban Village during the 2nd week of June 2026 were implemented effectively and accordance with their respective duties and function. Public service continue to the enhanced through the optimization of front office service, the implementation of government administration and public order activities, the delivery of social welfare service, an effort to insert land and building tax (PBB) revenue. To date, PBB relation has reached 59.99%, placing Jatiranggon Urban Village 3rd position with Jati Sampurna District. Although several challenges remain, particularly regarding the distribution of SPVT documents that have not yet been received by some taxpayers. Our session continue to make improvement and optimize their service to support the achievement of performance target and future and public service delivery. This concludes my report. Thank you for attention, Mr. Head and Mr. Secretary of the District Jati Sampurna. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Thank you, Urban Village Head of Jatiranggon and your entire section team for providing a highly detailed and structural comprehensive presentation. For the Secretariat, I highly praise your digital efficiency in utilizing Instagram and Facebook for public service. For Head of Government Section and Head of Social Welfare Section, thank you for ensuring stable population, secure service, and the smooth preparation for school enrollment and KKS distribution next week. Now, onto the Economic and Development section regarding your VBB update. Your achievement of 59.99% is outstanding, placing Jatiranggon in the top 3 within our sub-district. However, regarding bottleneck where many taxpayers haven't received the SPPT document, this need immediate intervention. I instruct the urban village head to coordinate with the local regional officer and RW leader next week to systematically distribute the remaining SPPT door to door. We must eliminate this composition and keep up our high performance. Great job, Jatiranggon. Please, Mr. Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Urban Village Head of Detail Update. We can see that while progress is being made, there are still bottlenecks in acceleration the PBB revenue collection. We can see we will now open a 30 minutes discussion session to address these issues and find immediate solution. Any discussion now? Okay. Because not interruption or discussion. To wrap up our session today, I would like to hand the floor back to our sub-district head to deliver the final conclusions, policy, recommendation, and officially close today's meeting. Please, Mr. Sub-District Head of Jati Sampurna. Please.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary, and thank you, participants. Based on today's report, here are the conclusion and recommendation for our action plan next week. Number 1, financial relation. We must maintain the current absorption rate, but ensure strict administration complete. Number 2, 1 Muharram 1448 Hijriah, the social welfare team must coordinate closely with local community leaders to ensure a smooth, secure commemoration. Number 3, PBB acceleration for the 5 urban village, Jati Sampurna, Jatirangga, Jatikara, Jatiraden, and Jatirangon. I highly commend your ongoing effort. However, to boost the achievement, we must execute door-to-door approach, solve the undelivered SPPT issue in Jatirangon, open mobile counter on weekend, and optimize digital payment social network. To door-to-door, this WFH Zoom meeting has successful mapped our performance. Let's execute the recommendation immediately. Thank you for your hard work. Stay healthy and have productive Friday. Good morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Subdistrict Head of Jati Sampurna. With that, today's virtual coordination meeting is officially closed. Thank you and for everyone, and see you next week. Have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Terima kasih.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Can see you
Bye.
again next
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.